boom, what's happening? And decided to go get my exhaust done today. It's been a while actually since I bought it, and it's just been sitting there. And the reason for that is because I'm lazy as fuck. I'm gonna give them a call, see if they're open, because you know, COVID-19 or bullshit happening right now. Don't know who's open, who's not. I think they're open. I'm pretty sure I'll call them. I should have called them yesterday. It's okay. They're open. We'll go get the exhaust done finally. But before we do that, I'll go downstairs and introduce you to my car. Yeah, it's like the third or second vlog, and you haven't even seen my car yet. So it's kind of weird for a car channel. Well, it's part car, part photography. Yeah. Anyways, I'll take you down to the garage and I'll show you my car. Alright, let's go. You're not coming?
I said fuck a single bitch cause I need two, yeah. I said fuck a single bitch, I need a new, yeah. I said fuck a single bitch, I need a two pill. While I'm popping in this bitch, it's like the new, yeah. All my bitches so upbeat, got the new, yeah. She can't fucking for some lean, ain't the new, yeah. She can't fucking for some lean, ain't the new, yeah. I be standing on you bitches on the new, yeah. You got one bitch, nigga, I got two, yeah.
So here we are in my garage. Got my car behind me. I'm just gonna go unwrap it for you guys so I can talk about it and shit. This is it. Toyota Supra 97 6-speed SZR. It's white. It's got two wheels. There's two more on this side. It's got sticker, two stickers, windshield wiper, rusty headlights. No, I'm just messing with you guys, but in all seriousness, I haven't done too much to it yet. I've owned it for 1 year. I've got new wheels, so they're from Rotor, so yeah. But they do look nice. They don't look like, they're not Rotor grids, thankfully, so they don't look like rep wheels. If I had to say they look like a pair of wheels, I'd say BSXs, maybe. But they're not 3-piece. Yeah, so I've got the wheels on. I've put an MVP lip. It's from Nur-Spec imports. I got a TRD wing. I got a second hand, so the blade isn't in best condition. So I am looking for a new one. If you guys do know anyone that has one, let me know. I'll give you guys a tour to the inside. Still got the OEM wheel, and it's looking pretty rough. I'm gonna fix that up soon. This cover's just temporary, been there for a year. Got some nice accessories from Nur-Spec imports. Got a nice gear shifter from Likewise. Interior's pretty stock, but that's only for now. Hopefully I'll change soon. I've got a few parts that I've stockpiled so far, and a few plans. Big plans actually. This car's gonna be completely different by the end of the year. But yeah, I'm gonna slowly go through them and take you guys with me, and hopefully you guys will like it, and if you don't, well, fuck off. But yeah, as I said today, what we're doing is getting the exhaust done today, because the exhaust I have right now is pretty big, and because it's big, it's stopping me from putting something else on. I'm not going to tell you what it is, but you will see later, because it's going to be the next thing after I do this. Yeah, but I needed a small exhaust door and pick this one up. It was a very big hassle picking this up. This is the new exhaust. It's not looking too good in terms of condition, but I'm going to worry about that after I actually got it put on. The reason I can't put it on right now is not because I don't know how, but because the mid pipe is not long enough to reach the cap. And so to do that, I need to make this longer. And I thought, while I'm at it, I'm just going to get rid of the hot dog resonator and make it longer as well, so kill two birds in one stone. In terms of the muffler I have right now, it's pretty big. This is it right here, and it is huge. And I love this, but it shakes a lot, so you can notice it when you start up the car. You can notice something shaking, so that's this. So I'm really keen to get this off actually, but it does sound pretty good. And I am keen to see what the new one sounds like, but I'll start it up for you guys. Hi, I called yesterday about a exhaust job. Is it okay if I come now?
No chance, man. I've got shit everywhere at the moment.
Oh yeah,
Yeah, I could do something tomorrow for you.
yeah, it's 10 o'clock tomorrow?
Yeah, bring it in 10, man.
Yeah, alright, sweet, thank you.
Oh, see you later.
Bye. So we're not going today.
The next day.
I'm switching over to the action camera. But yeah, now you can see everything around me. Anyway, it's next day. Let's go get the exhaust. So we're here at Dunrite. Let's see what they can do for us. Good, thanks, yourself. Okay. Alright, so I should come tomorrow then?
Yeah, you want to come tomorrow?
Same time?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
So?
All good. Thank you. Alright, sweet.
The next day.
Pretty good. New exhaust sounds so good. Definitely. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah, just cruising. Yeah, it's gonna be real loud. Alright guys, so if you made it this far, thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. If you did like it, go down below and like, subscribe and comment what you want to see in the next video. It's a bit hard to put out content now because we're not meant to go outside and we shouldn't go outside right now until this is all over, but I will put out, you know, photography stuff, computer building stuff. There's definitely more mods to come for the car. So now that the exhaust is done, I can move on to the next step, which you'll see. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, check it here. Stay safe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Man, this is so clear. I'm not looking at you guys through the camera, and now I'm just noticing, like, this is a live stream and it's so clear. If the Sony a7 III had a flip out camera, I'd definitely use this as a vlogging camera. Also, it's very heavy compared to, like, I lost my action camera.